Ice cream is a generational comfort food. I've loved it forever, my mother loved it, and my grandmother loved it. But the standard ice cream lining grocery store shelves today has been corrupted by massive amounts of processed sugar and chemical additives. This animated diagram illustrates the immediate neurological and metabolic spikes caused by excessive refined sugar consumption. Over time, these extreme daily spikes drive a deep chemical addiction and steadily degrade overall health. So we face a difficult choice. Do we have to completely abandon our favorite family comforts to survive the modern food landscape? Enter the guilt-free keto carnivore ice cream. The strategy is simple. You abandon the sugar, but keep the tradition. By rebuilding this dessert entirely around historically accurate, pure fats, we can reclaim our physical health and keep our family heritage intact. The assembly starts right here, separating exactly 2 egg yolks for every pint of ice cream we plan to make. We discard the egg whites entirely. Ice cream is essentially a custard, and those dense yolks provide the exact richness required for a traditional base. This nutritional diagram of an egg yolk highlights its dense concentration of healthy animal fats, efficient building blocks for human biology. Notice how this pure fat translates into sustained metabolic energy. Instead of sugar's volatile crashes, it delivers a stable, flat line of long-term power. Cooking at home doesn't require absolute perfection. You can make a mess and still succeed. But securing this specific macronutrient foundation is non-negotiable for the recipe to work. The egg yolk acts as the biochemical engine of the entire dish, making a completely sugar-free dessert physically satisfying. Next, we introduce the second major building block, heavy whipping cream. You must avoid standard milk and half and half. They lack the fat content required to create the proper texture. Sourcing is critical here. You need pure, locally sourced heavy cream. If you can get your hands on local raw cream, that is the optimal choice. This comparative chart breaks down exactly why sourcing matters. On the left, we see the pure, single-ingredient composition of raw local cream. On the right, a commercial dairy equivalent reveals a hidden list of synthetic additives that completely compromise the strict carnivore approach. To finish the base, we add a pinch of high-quality sea salt, like Malden or Redmond, and a small touch of real vanilla paste or bean. If you are strictly avoiding all forms of sugar, you can omit the vanilla completely. However, for long-term dietary compliance, occasional minor flavor additions are perfectly fine. Building optimal health requires looking closely at the unprocessed purity and local origins of our food, rather than just relying on broad dietary categories. We pour the mixture into a pre-frozen Cuisinart vessel, where the thick liquid folds and rapidly freezes against the cold metal edges for 30 minutes. Even before it solidifies, this pre-churned liquid acts as a highly nutritious, healthy eggnog. Once the 30 minutes are up, the transformation is complete. You are left with fresh, thick ice cream that is ready to scoop immediately. Scooping it fresh out of the maker brings back the immediate tactile joy of eating childhood treats, like mom-made cookies straight from the oven. We achieve maximum traditional flavor and comfort, and we do it with absolutely zero sugar. By stripping a beloved tradition down to its purest, locally sourced building blocks, we bridge the gap between honoring our ancestors and thriving in our modern bodies. You really can have your ice cream and eat it too.